How to make your WhatsApp profile picture clear. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to a page where you can view the chat list. Then, open the chat with your name on it. Now tap on the camera icon at the bottom panel. Select a picture from the recent photos. Now, tap on the HD button from the top panel. After that, select the option HD quality from the menu. Then tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner. Now tap and view the photo. After that, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. You can save the photo from here, but for this tutorial, you need to select the option Set as My Profile Photo. Now, adjust the picture ratio. Once it's done, tap on Choose. Now go back, and once you're in the home page, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on your profile icon at the top. Now, tap on the profile picture. You can see that the profile picture has been uploaded in high quality. So, by following these steps, you can easily make your WhatsApp profile picture clear.